Your home's doors do far more than open and close. They protect your family, help regulate indoor temperatures, and play a major role in curb appeal. In a place like Weston, where New England weather brings cold winters, humid summers, and plenty of rain and wind, your exterior doors work hard year-round. Over time, they naturally begin to wear down. Knowing when it's time to upgrade can prevent energy loss, safety issues, and costly damage. If you're unsure whether your door needs replacing, here are the most common signs that Weston homeowners should consider a door installation upgrade. Drafts or temperature changes near your door. If you feel a cold draft in the winter or warm air sneaking in during summer, your door may no longer be sealing properly. Even small gaps can let in significant amounts of outside air, causing uneven temperatures throughout your home. Drafts often indicate warped or swollen door materials, worn weather stripping, a misaligned frame, a deteriorating threshold. With Weston's chilly winters, fixing drafts through a door upgrade can quickly improve comfort and lower your heating bill. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. If your door sticks, scrapes the floor, or refuses to latch smoothly, it's signaling a problem. Older wooden doors in particular tend to warp due to humidity and temperature fluctuations common in Massachusetts. Operational problems suggest the frame has shifted over time. Moisture has caused the door to expand. Hinges or hardware are no longer aligned. The door structure is weakening. A properly installed new door restores smooth operation and improves daily convenience. Visible damage or wear. Many Weston homes feature older doors that have endured years of harsh weather. Signs of damage include cracks in the door, peeling paint or wood rot, rust around locks or hinges, fogging or cracks in glass inserts. These issues not only affect how your home looks but can also compromise security and energy efficiency. Rising energy bills with no clear cause. If your heating or cooling costs have been creeping up, your door may be part of the problem. As doors age, their insulation weakens, seals fail, and frames settle, allowing conditioned air to escape. A new energy-efficient door can improve insulation, reduce drafts, keep temperatures stable, decrease HVAC usage. With energy costs rising, an upgraded door can pay for itself over time. Moisture around the frame or threshold. Moisture intrusion is a serious issue in Weston, where frequent rain and snow can damage structural elements of your home. Signs include soft spots in the floor near the door, mold or mildew around the frame, water tracks or staining, light coming through gaps in the frame. Moisture damage can lead to costly repairs if not addressed promptly. Outdated style that hurts curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first features guests and potential buyers notice. Many Weston homeowners upgrade their doors simply because the current one no longer matches their home's architecture or desired aesthetic. New doors offer modern designs, decorative glass, bold colors, wood look, finishes, improved overall appearance. A stylish new door instantly refreshes your home's exterior. Doors that no longer feel secure. Security should never be compromised. If your door feels unstable, locks are loose, or the frame seems weak, it's time to consider an upgrade. Modern doors offer reinforced frames, high security locking systems, impact resistant materials, stronger hardware. This added protection provides peace of mind for your family. Final thoughts. From rising energy bills to visible wear and tear, your door often gives clear signs when it's time to consider a replacement. For Weston homeowners, upgrading to a high quality, professionally installed door means better energy efficiency, improved safety, and a boost in curb appeal. All essential for long-term comfort and value.